All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at some more English phonics. So H, Q, K, C, and M. So H, hot. Whoo! And whole. Whole, not whole, but whole. Like 100. Whoops. 100%. 100%. Yeah. I have seen the whole movie. All of it. Yeah. But we could say whole. 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 There we are. Whole. Whole. Very good. And queen. 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 There we are. Oh, where'd that go? Yeah, queen. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. And kangaroo and king and kitten with the K. Kangaroo, king, kitten, kangaroo. And car, cat, crab. So crab, yes, and cat. Very straightforward. Cat, there we are. Oh, what happened there? Cat. Cat. Yeah, very good. Yeah. But kitten, it's like a small cat. Kitten. Small cat. A small baby cat, yeah. How cool is that? And milk. Monkey. Mouse. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So hot, like this. Heat. Heat. Here. Here. Heat. Woo! How cool is that? Yeah. Queen. Kangaroo, king, kitten, car, cat, crab, milk, monkey, mouse. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.